Hi everyone, welcome to David Krishna. In the previous video, we created a simple chatbot using Python. It worked, but there was one big issue. It always gave the same response every time. That makes it feel robotic and not very interesting. So in this video, we are going to improve our chatbot by making it respond with multiple different answers for the same input. This will make it feel much more natural, like a real conversation. Let's open our Python compiler and start coding. You can use any online compiler, or if you have Python already installed and you have VS Code, you can use the both. Anything you can use it. So I'm currently using the online compiler. You can open any VS Code as well if you want, and you can start from me right now. First, we need to import module called random. This module helps us to pick a random response from a list. So I will write import random. Next, let's see print a start message so that a user knows the chatbot is ready. For that, I'm just adding a print statement. So just now we'll create a loop so that the chatbot keeps running again and again. For that, we use while. As you all know, if you see my past video, you will understand why I kept this while and all me to loop. The chatbot keeps running again and again. Inside the loop, we need to take input from the user. For that, I'm just taking user input. Here, input takes the user types and lower converts everything to lowercase. This is important because it helps us match input easily. Now let's handle greetings. I will create a list of greeting words. Okay. So greetings, I'm just creating a list, and inside list I'm currently adding words. Then I will write an if condition if user input in greetings or not, like if user input in greetings. This means like user types any word from the greeting list, this block will run. Instead of giving just one reply, we now creating a list of responses right now. Okay, let me create a list of responses. So you can add n number of responses as well. It's your completely depend on you. I'm adding hi there. This is one, and later next I'm just adding hello, and I'm adding next is hey, nice to see you. Just we missed the quote here. Just I'm adding the quote and do it comma here, and now I'm adding the fourth word. Hi, how can I help you? Is the one added here. And to make it dynamic, we use random.choice methods. Okay, so let me add a first. I will add a print statement here. So first is a chatbot. Choice of responses. Usually this random.choice picks one random response from the list each time. So even if the user types hello again and again, the reply will be different. Now let's handle another case. I will write. So I'm adding elif user underscore input how are you. Here we again creating a multiple responses by using, I'm just copying the same thing and we will modify accordingly. I'm doing great. All good here. I'm just code, but I'm fine. I'm doing awesome. And this is the responses added. And next, we print a random one using the same method. I'm just copying the above one directly. So I did it. And next, for name related questions, we'll add some another one. elif user input what is your name. So I'm just copying the same about 2 lines here also, but I'm just changing the names out here. I'm Krishna Chatbot. You can call me Kbot. I'm a simple chatbot. In Python, and I hope we is enough for 3 responses for this. So so again we use random.choice of responses. Now very important, exit condition is very important, right? So that is the main condition we need to add. I'm adding elif user input. So if user enters by, it would exist. I'm just printing a statement. Chatbot goodbye, have a great day. So this is the chatbot message which we are adding. Now we need to add this break statement. So the break statement stops the loop and ends the chatbot. Finally, we add an else condition. This runs when the chatbot doesn't understand the input. So and now I'm just entering this else. So inside this else also I will try to add some more responses the similar way how we are doing this random.choice. So I'm just adding a couple of responses here. So it's your wish, like you don't need to add the similar one what I'm adding, but it's just a normal I'm giving some hint and ideas to you so you will able to understand it. So I'm just added this. Next I will add, can you rephrase it? And one more thing I can add is I'm still learning. I'm still learning. So I hope these are the responses enough right now. And we'll do one thing. We do the same thing. We just need to copy this random.choice what we have already added there, that one. And now let's so even what when it doesn't understand, it still gives different replies instead of repeating the same sentence. Now let's run the program and test it. If I type hello, it might say hi there. If I type hello again, now it says hey, nice to see you. Anything it can give. So let me add some, just for testing purpose, I'm just entering hello. It given me hello. I'm just again entering hello. It is giving just something similar. And if I entering hey, it's showing hey there. So it's completely, you can see it's based on the responses. It is randomly choice taking, giving the choices and giving. So now you can see same input, different responses. That's what make our chatbot feel more real and less robotic. And that's the power of using list and random responses in Python. With just a small improvements, we made a big difference in the user experience. In the next video, we can make this even smarter by understanding sentences or remembering conversations. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for my Python projects and the channel, and make sure you click the bell icon all and keep your ready to latest notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.